You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this castle in Scotland. I believe it's located near Edinburgh. If you want to learn more confusing names of famous places, including in Scotland, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Dalhousie is how it's pronounced. The Dalhousie Castle or Hotel Spa, Dalhousie. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.